Hello, Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Today, we bring you a report on a major development in the Red Fort terror attack case. A Delhi High Court has sent Al Falah University founder Javed Ahmad Siddiqui to 13 days of Enforcement Directorate custody. This custody has been granted in connection with a money laundering case linked to the recent terror attack near Delhi's Red Fort. This case has shaken the national capital, especially as the new details continue to emerge. On Tuesday night, the Enforcement Directorate arrested Javed Ahmad Siddiqui, the founder and managing trustee of Al Falah University, located in Faridabad. The arrest is part of an ongoing investigation into alleged terror financing and money laundering connected to the November 10 car blast near the Red Fort. The blast claimed the lives of dozens of people and led to intense nationwide concern. Soon after the incident, investigators began tracking links to individuals and institutions that might have supported the night and wrapped up around 1 a.m. on Wednesday. Additional sessions judge Sheetal Chaudhary Pradhan on the Saket court delivered the order. The judge stated that the Enforcement Directorate had followed all required procedures under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, commonly known as PMLA. Considering the seriousness and gravity of the offences, the court decided that Siddiqui must be remanded to 13 days of ED custody, but the story doesn't end here. The spotlight has also turned sharply on Al Falah University itself. The Faridabad-based institution is now under scrutiny after the 3 doctors working at the university were identified as suspects in the same blast. Their alleged involvement has raised critical questions about deeper networks and connection behind the attack. The ED is now trying to uncover whether funds from the university or its associated members were used for terror-related activities and how deep the link goes. This case has created shockwaves not only because a major educational institution is under the scanner, but also due to the disturbing possibility that individuals with respected professional backgrounds may have been part of a larger conspiracy. As the investigation continues, more layers are expected to be uncovered. For now, the 13-day ED custody will allow the agency to question Siddiqui in detail and trace the financial trial connected to the Red Fort terror attack. We will keep you updated as more information comes out in this developing story. This is KTV India. You're watching with me, Varsha Venugopal.